Hello dear friends, hearty welcome to another class. Hope all were able to create simple documents based on our previous sessions. In continuation with that, now we will understand some more useful commands for typesetting the document. Let's go to today's class. This is a code segment we familiarized in the last class, and we learned how new lines are added. Here I am referring the same code again to describe about another option in a document. See, in the document class we have an optional part. Here I have given 12 pt, 12 point, and coming to the content part of this document, source part, here I am giving 6 point. These two are same data, or these two values have similarity, as it specifies the units of length. Here in this point it specifies in the document class, if I specify 12 pt, which means the units of length of the font in the output, that is specified by giving 12 pt over here. And in this portion we know why these two backslashes are used. This is to create two lines, this is to create single lines in a document. So here in this point 16 pt means this is an argument to this two double slash, and here it specifies the distance between two lines should be 16 point. So here 12 and 16 specifies the length of typeface. We have different options for this point. The normal size is 10 point, but it may differ for some document styles or their options. The actual size produced by these commands also depends on the document style, and in some styles more than one of these size commands may produce the same actual size. Now let us see what does this mean. In different contexts we have seen different units of length, like pt. Here in this LaTeX document it is given pt, which means point, and in some other context like in HTML file, CSS and all, we can see pc, which means pica, and cm is centimeter. If it is in, which means inch, then we have different options like em, ex, etc. It all depends upon the source document where we use these parameters. And what are the relationship among these? 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, which is equal to 25.4 millimeter, and that is equal to 72 pt. So here in LaTeX document we usually use pt, point. 72 pt is equal to 6 pica. So when I say 72 pt, which means 2.54 centimeter, that is the basic understanding of this. And here the recommended options used in screen, print, etc. are given in this table. Coming to LaTeX, the only sizes supported by the document class option in the standard classes are 10 point, 11 point and 12 point. To get text other sizes, we can use commands such as /large or tiny. We will see in the coming slides these options. It is clear from these options that LaTeX doesn't allow you to create styles or typefaces with varying length, because one of the aims of LaTeX is that you should, as far as possible, be using structural markup like sections, subsections, and not using explicit font size changes, which makes it a lot harder to reformat your document for different purposes. So that is why the LaTeX document generally restrict the size of the typeface or font to 10 point, 11 point and 12 point. Now let us explore some other formatting options. Text positioning. We have seen that text assigns text in its own way regardless of the way text is formatted in the input file. See this output file. This is an example for how text can be aligned or formatted in different positions of the document. Here, if you closely look at the output file, the Kerala Research Academy is centralized, and in the next line, the certificate of participation, this is also centralized, and the content of this certificate, this is in a paragraph format. Different LaTeX codes are used for generating this emphasis and italics and all. We have already learned that. Here our interest is, see this, the signatory authority, the director, the Kerala Research Academy, all these are given in the right part of the document. Let's go to the source code, how this can be achieved. As usual, we have created the document by using document class. Here 12 pt, A4 paper, article, all these things are there. We know all these things. And I am starting the document by begin document. Then followed by that, begin sender is given. What is the use of begin sender? This command, the begin sender opens here and it spans up to this portion. Within this begin sender, I am giving the two titles. Kerala Research Academy and Certificate of Participation. Here, the begin sender command typesets the text between them exactly at the center of the page and the commands. Whatever we give within this environment, begin sender, it aligns in the center of the page. And you can also see /large command over here. Displays, it prints the text within these braces in a large font. And the text TT is typewriter font. We will see what is that in a short while. Certificate of participation, you can see the change in the font. This is obtained by giving this text TT command. And all these two statements are aligned in the center of the page. Now see the paragraph. This is to certify that text BF, which means boldface. Here the name of participant is given in boldface because of this text BF command, and has participated the short-term course on emphasis. We have already learned that what is emphasis. And LaTeX, this is also another code. /begin flush write. This is another environment. /begin flush write. It opens here and it ends over here. Within this pair of commands, the director, the Kerala Research Academy is given. Because of this flush write, these two lines are moved right. So it typesets, the flush write command typesets text flush with the right margin. Likewise, if you are using flush left command, instead of right, you can also use flush left. What it will do? It will place the enclosed text flush with left margin. So you can experiment with these two commands. This is how we achieve text positioning. And these examples are illustration of a LaTeX construct called an environment, which is of the form begin name, end name, which means here I am starting an environment, begin center. This is the center environment. I am starting it over here and ending it. Now let's understand what is meant by font, typeface, etc. We usually interchangeably use the terms font and typeface. What is a font? It is the actual letters and symbols that LaTeX or any other typesetting system produces are characterized by their style and size. So, a font is a particular size, weight and style of a typeface. The term font has come to be used as a synonym for typeface. Although a typical typeface or font family consists of a number of fonts. As an example, see, Helvetica is a typeface family, like Times New Roman. Helvetica is a typeface family, and Helvetica Italic is a typeface, and Helvetica Italic 10 point is a font. So when we say font, it should be typeface and its size. A set of types of a particular style and size is called a font. We can produce smaller and bigger types. In LaTeX, a type style is specified by family, series, and shape. These are the three factors, three characteristics to generate a typical font. So we can say any type style in the output is a combination of these three characters. In the case of font family, we can see three important styles. Roman. In order to get a Roman style, you have to use text rm command. And for sans serif family, it is text sf command. Within these parentheses, you can give the text. So this will be printed in sans serif font. And typewriter, in order to get typewriter kind of style, you can use text tt command. And coming to series, medium, bold face are there. And about shape, upright shape is there, italics shape is there, slanted. So to print the text in slightly slanted forward format, you can use text sl command. And this is another interesting command, text sc. It will convert all small letter or all letters into uppercase format. We will see an example now. See this. This is a small program. Here we are beginning the document here. Then see this text sf. This is a command. Within that, I am giving text bold face. And this is the text. This text will be printed in sans serif family. Since I have given the command text sf. It is in bold face. Why? Because within these braces, I have also given a markup, a command, that bf. So this will be printed sans serif family, bold face, series, upright shape. So in order to get this particular style, this particular font style, I have used two different commands, text sf and text bf. Okay, coming to next example, I am here using text Roman family and slanted. Let's see how it is, how it appears slightly slanted forward. So this is achieved by using two different commands. See this box, same thing is given in another example, text rm. It is displayed serif font family. This text is displayed in text Roman family, and if you want to get sans serif font family, use this command. And if you want to display your font in or typeface in typewriter form, so just give text tt command. To make the decorations act upon a specific piece of text, the declarations and text should be enclosed in braces. Here an extension of the previous table is displayed. Here some more options are given, like declarations, text italics, text slanted shape. All these are declarations of the font style. See this example. Here we have four different paragraphs. These four different paragraphs are printed in different format. Let's see each one paragraph. See this. I am here beginning an environment SFF family. What is SSF family? See the previous table. SFF family. Here I am declaring an environment of sans serif family. And I am beginning that environment here up to this block, end SFF family. I am giving this text. So how it is displayed? It is displayed, it is printed in sans serif typeface, sans serif font. Coming to next environment, it is SC shaped. What is SC? Small cap format. Here in the source code, I have given all the sentences in a mixed case letter. See, larger print shops may have owned multiple fonts, etc. Here you can see uppercase letter and lowercase letter. But when we compile this document, we can see that this paragraph is printed in capital letter or uppercase format, completely uppercase format. Larger print shops. See this here. It is given in lowercase letter, but it is printed in uppercase letter. Why? Because I have used small cap shape environment over here. So this is a very useful command. Without changing the source document, I just give an environment as SC shape. It will print all the lowercase letter and even uppercase letter to capital letter format. Coming to the third paragraph, here boldface series environment is opened. Within this boldface series environment, I have placed 2-3 sentences. So how it is printed in the output? In a boldface format. It is printed in boldface. Then in the last paragraph, text TT. Here text TT is typewriter. Text TT is typewriting format, and the output is printed accordingly in typewriting font. Now let us see some more points about the type size of font. Generally, type size is measured in printer points. We have seen all these things, PT and all. The default type that LaTeX produces is 10 pt. There are some declarations provided in LaTeX for changing the type size. Apart from that, 10 pt, 11 pt, 16 pt and all. It is given this table. See, we have different types of size. If I use /tiny and after that text, it will be printed in tiny size, and there are different other sizes also: script size, footnote size, small size, and the largest size is huge size. Here the normal size correspond to the size we get by default, and the sizes form an ordered sequence with /tiny producing the smallest type and the /huge produces the largest. Okay, dear friends. So in this particular session, we have learned so many things regarding the formatting, positioning, font, typeface, etc. We understood what is the difference between typeface and font. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.